Alrighty guys, I'm getting ready to put this hub bearing on, this brand new hub bearing. But riddle me this, guys, all you super techs out there, riddle me this, get this, alright? Everybody recognize this. This is the ABS wheel speed sensor, right? It goes in from the back to the knuckle, and obviously it reads a wheel on the hub bearing. So here's my hub bearing right here, alright? I'm getting ready to put this on, but guys, remember, this is an 8 HP transmission, so there is no transmission, or there is no wheel speed sensors on this transmission. The TCM needs to know how fast every wheel is turning, and it does that by way of this wheel speed sensor. So it gets that information from the ABS. So if this hub bearing sits in here and this wheel is turning, look, this part here is not turning. So remember, it has to detect how fast this wheel is rotating. All right, so this is stationary on here. So riddle me again, what is going on here? Here's the wheel turning, but this is not turning, but the ABS sensor is reading this. All right, who got some answers out there? Let's hear it real quick. So I was reading the comments on what you guys were saying. Remember that I asked y'all to riddle me this. How is the speed sensor able to read the speed of the wheel if there's a cover right here? All right, a lot of y'all spoke about the magnetic tone wheel is inside of here. One guy suggested I remove the cover, so I did just that. Let me see something. Yeah, got the cover off. Now, the reason you don't see the wheel moving or the hub moving because this cover was on here, but obviously this is some type of magnetic tone wheel, and it could penetrate through the cover, right? So if this hub was turning, guys, so is this right here. All right, so that's exactly what the speed sensor is reading. Y'all see that? Yeah, that is exactly what the speed sensor reading. That's what the speed sensor needs to report back to the TCM as well as the ABS module. All right, so it's just shielded by this cover, I guess, with dirt and trash. All right, guys, real quick, this is the Wrangler. I'm putting the transmission back in. I've already replaced the rear main oil seal. You can't just get the seal, guys. You're gonna get the complete retainer. All right, just got to replacing that. Well, in order to do that, the transmission got to come out. Now, this is not what this video about. I want to know, am I the only one paranoid like this? I'm going back up with the transmission now. I got it in. I'm now bolting up the torque converter, but I want to see something. Am I the only one to do this, guys? This is a NAG 1 transmission, so there's 6 of these torque converter bolts. Am I the only one to take Loctite and put on the bolt and then put it up in the transmission? Because I technically hasn't had one to come out or had a bolt work its way loose or come out of the transmission, but maybe I'm just paranoid like that and I don't want it to happen. But am I the only one to do that? Yeah, see, I got it in now. Now I got to go in and tighten all of them down, but I'm just curious. All right, yeah, this is NAG 1, so some of them had 4. This one got 6, so I'm gonna put Loctite on them, tighten them all. Alrighty, guys, looky, the new guy went and got him a toolbox, and it's a U.S. Journal. Let's do a toolbox review. Oh my goodness!
It's always exciting to see fucking coming up with new tools.
Look, it's all organized and everything. Wait till you get 2-3 years in the game.
Oh man,
the wrenches, even the wrenches organized. That's room for growth right there. You got more room for growth.
Power tools go.
Oh, the power tools. See, guys, you don't have to break the bank to get a road cart. Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
HF. Is it HF? Yeah, U.S. Journal. Look, he gonna find something to put down there and clutter that up. Give him time. That's gonna be full of. Even this.
Once this little rack.
I knew it. See, they had this in stock. They didn't have it in. They didn't have this in stock on my color, so I had to wait.
Irvin went the other day and picked that up and threw it at me and said, "Slap it on the side of the roof."
Ah, that's what's up. Rushing, buddy.
It don't fit. What is?
That's what I'm talking about. Save money, guys. All right, guys. P0430, P0420. Those stands for cat efficiency failure. All right, now. You know, my estimate is going to include 2 cats. However, take a look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. How am I going to even? There's no nuts. Look at that. That's nothing to even. That's not even a hex head to grab on to turn that. Look at that. You put something on that, it's going to snap. I have to get some management involved. See if they. Look at that. That's nothing. Like, I'm gonna have to replace this as well. I'm gonna have to replace the entire exhaust system, guys. This is obviously from up north. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this whole exhaust manifold is crumbling. Yep, so somebody gonna have to make a decision. All right, it's not my call. I am not about to marry this car, guys. Y'all stay tuned. I'll keep y'all up to date.
Alrighty, guys, take a look at this Dodge Durango and how the owner has been mistreating it. I should call the police on the owner. Guys, take a look at this engine. This is a 3.6 Pentastar. If you look real closely, you can see sludge buildup is starting to occur. I can only blame that on one thing, guys. Not changing your oil on time, guys. That would cause this. Now, she's getting ready to get some maintenance done now. But my question is, why did it have to get to this point? Okay, guys, if you change your oil on time, and I'm not talking every 20,000 miles, keep your oil change done on time, as well as keep this PCV valve replaced, positive crankcase ventilation valve. It is designed to vent the crankcase, guys. All right, you keep that replaced every 30,000 miles, you can avoid this. All right, your engine do not have to look like this. This is the PCV valve I'm speaking about. Yes, guys, every 30,000 miles, right along with oil changes done on time, and you can avoid this, guys. Take care of your engine, guys. It will take care of you.
Harbor Freight is using all the rest of you YouTubers out there. Free advertisement, and you're getting it shoved right up your ass. You ain't getting no discount in their store, no free tools, and you're doing it. I don't know why, because Harbor Freight is not the end all be all. Even the Icon series of tools,
it's not.
The most part sucks. YouTube is turning to Harbor Freight's best friend. Harbor Freight doesn't even need to advertise their Icon shit. YouTube is doing
all they need. All they need is the YouTubers to freaking buy their tools and put it on.
Whoa, that was a segment I saw Fluffy Mexicanic live stream. Guys, I'm sorry, my man have a point, okay? Somebody need to do something. Somebody need to go talk to headquarters, talk to corporate, and find out, can we get a piece of the pie, all right? Whoever in charge of the media and promotion department need to get with all these YouTube mechanics and give them a cut of the pie. We are responsible for, I want to say 50% of their sales. Y'all stay tuned. I'm headed to Harbor Freight right now. We're going to get to the bottom of this. All right, guys, looking out for the YouTube mechanic. I'm about to go into Harbor Freight and see if there anybody I can talk to concerning marketing and promotion, where some of us YouTubers can get compensated for the tools and the parts we help sell. Let's freaking get it. Is there anybody here that can I can speak with in the promotion media department? Like they do sponsor, like I'm a YouTuber, right? So I'm responsible, I know, for helping sell a lot of this stuff. And I'd like to know if anything, do they have a special department that handles that? They can sponsor mechanics?
I don't know, but I can let you speak to Brian. Hey Brian, have you got a moment? He's our manager.
How you doing? How can I help you?
I'm curious, I got a question.
Please.
How do y'all handle the marketing and promotion department? Like I'm a YouTube mechanic, right?
Yes, sir.
And I know I'm responsible for a lot of sales that go on here. Do they have like a department that they sponsor YouTubers?
That I don't know. I know there's a location in